make my oatmeal. Do your eggs taste good?
Yeah. Hey, Bubba's. You okay?
I'm taking a second eat. Just for a little bit. Don't let the binky fall.
No, you spit out the binky.
You want some? Don't worry, Mommy will be able to make your oatmeal song. Mm-hmm. Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's VLOGMAS day 6. I knew that. Day 6. As you can see, I am occupied by the owner of this house. Yeah, I'm up. Early start to the day. Well, yeah, the girls are at school. I want to, start my day, but already I started, I think in the previous clip, I started laundry, had breakfast, played with this guy, but he still won't go down for a nap. So, yeah, well, when he got up early this morning, he did go back down for a nap, but then he got up, fed, and now he's up again. So hopefully he will go down for a nap soon. He's in his fields. That's why his back is turned. If he doesn't want to be on camera, he doesn't have to. So there you go. So yeah, still in PJs. Didn't get to change yet. Get myself together yet. But I am just basically momming. Yeah, I cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, I need to find something to make for dinner today. Just thinking ahead, but I don't even know what we're doing today. But I did want to take the kids to go see the lights. Yeah, so outside, a little bit outside of our neighborhood, there's this one gentleman who always he decorates everything. He did last year, but I didn't vlog last year. But yeah, I did take them. I just didn't vlog. So I wanted to take this guy and take the girls. So we'll see about that, and we'll go from there. So I just wanted to start the vlog. I have a bit of editing to do. Let me see if I can go sit and edit, and he maybe will fall asleep. We'll see. But yeah, so see you on the next clip. Right? Yeah. Hey. Insane. Guess not. All right.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're back. The girls are home, but Layla has some exciting news. She wants to, what is that? Layla has some exciting news she wants to share. What do you want to share? We're all here.
So at school,
come over here.
At school, there was a social studies fair project.
The one that they kind of saw in the previous vlog, because it was the same thing. Okay, yeah.
And I ranked 3rd place, and it's not one of those just for the whole class. It was for the county.
So she played third place in the county.
Well, not in the county, but inside the class, and then we're gonna go to the county.
Okay, okay. But she's super excited because she worked pretty hard. Yes, sweetie?
Zane won it.
Zane's
Zane's inside first place.
Who's that?
He's like, I just took it to
Who's
paper
that?
and I put some jewel on it, and then I got a 100.
Yeah, so she was pretty excited because she was like, oh, I don't want to do this, and then I don't, you know, because you did the written portion, you got A+ on it.
Yeah, I got 100.
She got an A+ on it, and then the presentation, which is
105.
this, she got 105.
I'm putting on a tattoo on Zane.
What is Zane? He's just all in the camera. He's just seeing what's
No, earlier he had
on
no
over there? Look at him.
he had no intention of being on camera.
Yeah.
He literally turned. He was like this the whole time. The
Oh,
previous
yeah.
clip, I was just like, "You want to say hi to the peeps?" And he was like this the whole time. He turned his back the whole time. Now he's just.
He's looking the whole time.
Mommy, Zane has
He's
a
like,
tattoo.
I never knew I was so
Oh, look at the salamander on his arm.
I'm gonna go get my little thingy.
So she's pretty excited. She
Zane has a tattoo.
was placed 3rd in the social studies fair. She's happy about that. You know, it's one of those things. It's an accomplishment for her. She was like, I know I didn't get 1st place. Dad was teasing her. He was like, you could have got 1st place. She was like, Daddy, this is a big thing, you know?
I'm proud of her.
I'm proud.
regardless.
She did all of it herself.
Yeah.
We didn't help at all. Because usually she can be like, oh, the only thing I helped with, we went to go get the board to put all the stuff on. That's the only thing. And we,
No, Mommy, you were
And I
helping.
printed out the stuff
Mommy,
for her.
Yeah, there you go.
You were
And,
helping her put on the notes and stuff.
no, I only put glued stuff. That's
cut
not.
stuff
She did
out.
all the research herself. Because I told her she had to do research herself, which she did, and I'm proud of her for that. So up top, yay! She's so happy and so hyped.
My big girl.
Papa, you want to say something? Oh, so
Yeah.
want to say something?
What you want to say?
I twist his hair again.
Yeah, he got a little tiny bumps. Look at those little curls.
Mommy, Zane
Look
has a
how his
big
curls
dick.
is banging.
Yes.
Look how those curls are banging.
That's why I did it, because his hair dries out so fast. Yes,
I know
baby?
what Zane has. Zane has a big day today.
What is it?
He's becoming the president.
Yeah, Zane for president.
Vote Zane.
Yes.
Vote Zane.
What
Vote
policies
Zane.
are you going to put in place, Zane?
Say where babies get only breast milk. Yes, so I just wanted to come on here and, you know, spread Layla's big news. Yeah, and I'm cooking. I'm making a little roast. I'm making a little roast with carrots and potatoes and asparagus.
And I need to go back to work, so
Oh,
I get
yeah,
paid
oh.
so I get money.
Oh yeah, he's over here talking with us. But that's not bad. You're here talking with us. It's a break. Staring at the computer all day. But yeah, so Daddy's gonna go back to work. Layla, could you take Zane, please? Well, go change that first. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next clip.
Go change your clothes too.
Aaliyah's going. She wants to eat. She wants to eat first. Let her eat. All right, so see you in the next clip.
Sigma Max.
Deuces.
Francisco.
You're just staring.
No,
Yeah, he is.
bonjour.
Mwah.
I
Mwah.
think he's staring at the red.
Yeah,
record
I
button.
think that's what he's looking
He's
at too.
like, baby,
He's
baby.
like,
Babe, no, it's hot. It's hot. Like I know outside is cold. It's not that cold, but it's hot in here. Maybe it's because the oven was on.
Mommy, I made something yesterday. I'm so proud of it.
You are? What did you make?
Remember that I sent it to you?
Oh yeah, she made a video yesterday and she sent it to me. You want to say hi to the peeps? Did you enjoy your lunch today that I made? Yeah, she actually helped me make her lunch this morning, which is great. Yeah? Okay. All right. I'll see y'all in the next clip. I don't know what else we're doing. Oh, I wanted to take them to go see the lights. So we'll see. After work, you want to take them to go do that?
maybe if it's not raining.
I know. Yeah, it's raining. And I don't want to have Zany pull outside
Mommy, next
in
time
the
can I
rain.
go Saturday again?
I know. I've been calling her parents, but nobody's answering. So I can't do anything about that. But I'll see y'all in the next clip.
But Daddy.
This is what I made. I made roast beef with some asparagus, and I had put some potatoes and carrots on there. So this is dinner. Not too shabby. And I made it with some. Yours is right there, baby. I made it with some bunga peas and rice. So yes, yum. Okay, guys. I'm just coming on here to close out the vlog because we didn't get to go see the lights. It's been raining and I don't want to have the kids out in the rain so they can catch a cold. So we didn't get to see the lights. We'll plan that another day. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not on video and I need to edit. The kids are actually asleep, so I'm just up editing before I go take a shower and hopefully get some sleep before baby bear gets up for a bottle. So yeah, I'm just ending the vlog here. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.